The flamingo is a majestic bird known for its long, slender legs and distinctive curved beak. With its vibrant pink plumage and graceful posture, the flamingo is a true icon of elegance in the avian world. These social birds are often found in large flocks near shallow waters, where they feed on algae and small invertebrates. Flamingos are renowned for their unique feeding behavior, as they use their beaks to filter food from the water. Their striking appearance and fascinating behaviors make them a captivating sight in both the wild and in zoos.